Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are wrapping the car. As you can see, this is our before. I just pulled it in. I'm gonna start taking all the panels off. I'm gonna take the wheels off, get it lifted up. But this is obviously the stock mineral white BMW color. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it. I'll show you guys here shortly. But it's gonna be fully wrapped, head to toe. Everything but the carbon roof, basically. So that also allows me to put all the aero, new headlights, taillights, all that kind of stuff on it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we're so excited. It's gonna look so good. I've been waiting to do something like this just because I wanted to get all the carbon fiber, lip and stuff put on, but not having that and being able to put it on, I have to take it off. I didn't want to do that, so here we are. We're gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it prepped and start wrapping it, but we'll see you guys here shortly. And I'm so excited because it's gonna look so good with everything on. So I already jacked it up, took apart some of the major panels. We're gonna take the bumper off next, wheels are off. Stud conversion, headlights, lip, all that kind of stuff we're gonna do. Here's the wrap. Shout out to Avery. You might be able to peep a little bit right there. I'm gonna take the bumpers off, wipe it down, prime the surface, and we're good to go. Completely stripped. But we're gonna take off the headlight, window trim and mirrors and stuff like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and replace everything and then get everything wrapped and put back on there. So alright, so here are the headlights that I decided to go with. I went with Bay Optics. Jeff hooked me up, so we've got full vision with the X Concept satin blackout. I didn't need any of that crazy RGB and all that kind of stuff, but I wanted the eyebrow, blackout, and the rings. And that looks sick. Side note, I was actually one of the earlier people to get these. I just had them for so long and not on the car that it's kind of delayed, so they've been sitting, but they're sick compared to the stock ones. So I just plugged it in. Dude, it's so bright. Like, I can't even get it on camera, but that is so bright. Looks so good though. Dude, it is 2 o'clock right now and we're still going at it. I've got the side skirt extensions on the side skirts. That color looks sick. Front end is looking good with the lip. We got rears done. Tail lights, diffuser, spoiler, rear end, fenders are done. This color is looking sick. So, stud conversion on. Going at it. I'm probably gonna finish the rest tomorrow, but it's got a lot of work still to do. Alright, so before we get the wrap finished, we're throwing in our airlift system. So we got full 3P, and I've got the Endo CBT tank. So this is what is now the rare tank, because they don't make them anymore. But this is the thing that has the compressor, tank, and a couple of other things all in one. So I'm gonna throw everything in, and then hopefully be able to finish the rest of the car later this week. And I got a surprise for the tank, because I'm all about functionality. And then we're gonna start with the fronts. take out the stock suspension, and then go into the rear. But I finally figured it out. All the lines are good. Everything fits, everything's running. We're doing calibration right now. So once this is done, I can finally just mount everything up and get it all back. So I'm happy if we can finally get to there. So it's just doing calibration, as you can see. I'm gonna mount everything up here nice and clean, hide everything. But all it's doing is just trying to know where the baseline is, front and rear. So it's a nice quiet tank, AccuAir Endo CVT, so I'm pretty happy with that. But it's finally gonna be where I want it, hopefully shortly after this. So finish the wrap and hopefully we're good. So it's been nothing short of a madhouse, and I do feel bad because it's been a while since I posted anything, but it's been so busy, and I'm outside because it smells like fumes in there. We've been working on cars all day. We've got a lot of things coming in, a lot of things going out, a lot of things going on, but I'm just happy I can finally show you the car. So I'm going to show you what the car looks like right now. We have pretty much most of what we want done as of right now done. We still got like the GTS hood here. We've got the diffuser here, but I'm just gonna show you because this is kind of what I've been working towards. What do you think of it, Junior?
I think it's pretty sick.
How long did it take us?
I don't know, a week.
But it's all done. We wrapped it ourselves in shop, and every corner, everything is done right. We did everything in the scene. We took the bumpers off, took the fenders off, everything. So this is it. I like it. And of course, you guys already know. But the best part of all that is, with the air being installed, you don't see anything. I put it all under this completely. So I have full trunk space. Like you saw already, we got our new lip. Headlights are good. Everything is done. What's next is we're going to do probably the interior. So I've got obviously new seats, steering wheel, cage, trim, everything that's going to be for phase 2, which is the inside. But the outside's done. Minus the diffuser. Alright, so the plan is I'm gonna go for a quick drive. The air lift is dialed in, and I want to go ahead and get it at least driven a little bit before I get out of line, just so I can see exactly where we're at and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get all that done here soon, and then from there I will go ahead and probably do some more cool things. Actually, we're gonna do a custom exhaust. I want to show you guys the interior when it's done. I'm super stoked about it. And then yeah, dude, it's gonna be sick. The car is already red. There's a bunch of other things that are gonna happen. My plan is gold accents, gold cage, gold brakes, all that kind of stuff. So we'll see. And I'm not gonna lie, this airlift app is so dope. Like, The fact that I can just have everything come up like right here on my phone on the fly, up, down, I got my settings. This is kind of my up setting, but upsetting. And I got like my different numbers that come up if I press on different things, so it's pretty dope. I like it actually. Hats off to you, Airlift. Car looks fresh. Let's air it out real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose my, let's see here. Let's go with like a, let's go with like our just nasty setting. That's like 0 and then like 49. So let's see what that looks like. Maybe I don't have to go so far down in the rear, but all in all, that's why I wanted to share today. I'm gonna post this video right now and I will show everyone on social media the exact photos they should be seeing to see the car reveal. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a while, I've been busy, I'm gonna try and do better. I keep saying this, but it's really hard. So I do hope you guys appreciate the effort I'm putting in to keep you guys informed. YouTube especially, I wanna give you guys the priority. So drop that like, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you guys on the next video. And I will post more content about the car and the updates and all the cool things that are coming. So I'll keep you guys informed. Peace.